How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something I recently did to my Jeep. We got this DIY fridge and slider setup. So I couldn't justify the price of buying a Dometic fridge, so I went with a budget fridge. It is a fridge that you can find on Amazon for around $300, but I paid $200 because I bought it used on OfferUp and it's been working great. So that's $200 right there. And then we just had some wood laying around, but the wood should not cost any more than $100. It probably costs less than that. And then we bought these sliders from Home Depot. They were around $20, and you could choose what kind of sliders you want and how long you want them. Ours are pretty short, they only go up to here, but we did that on purpose. That is because we only wanted to slide up to our little table right here, so that is why we did that. But you can slide it as far back as you want, just depending on how long your sliders are. Keep in mind that most fridges are heavy, so if you want to slide it further back, make sure you get some heavy duty sliders. As far as mounting this, our base is made out of 2 L's right there, and then we just drilled into the tub. But if you don't feel comfortable drilling into the tub, you would have to build a platform out of plywood for your trunk, and then you could just drill into that. But I didn't mind drilling through, so we just have these as our base. In order to create the drawer itself, you have to measure the length and width of the fridge. Try and get a pretty close measurement, that way it can fit nice and tight so there's not a ton of movement when you're going on the trails. Obviously it gets bumpy and you don't want it to move around a lot. And then for this piece that's going to secure it, you can basically do it as tall as you like, but keep in mind that you are going to need to make a hole because you do need to plug it in. After we built everything, we took the fridge out and then we painted it black, but you could paint it whatever color you would like. And we just did black, and I like how it came out. It looks clean. We also use these little plywood pieces to make sure it's level. You will have to use a level to determine that. So that's pretty much how we built it. I had the help of my girlfriend's dad, so if you have another person that can help you out, that would be a plus. But if not, if you're experienced with this, you should be able to do it by yourself. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Other than that though, thank you guys for watching.